What's going on, everybody? It's Wendell here at BrandsMart USA, and I'm here to give you another unboxing video of the new Bose Home Speaker 500. So let's not waste any time. Let's dive right into it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and dive into this box. All right. The Bose Home Speaker 500, the widest sound of any smart speaker, is powerfully simple. Fill any room with wall-to-wall stereo sound, while built-in voice control puts millions of songs at the tip of your tongue. The Home Speaker 500 looks as good as it sounds. A seamless aluminum body gives the speaker a refined finish that's perfect for any room. So the new Bose Home Speaker 500 has a nice little weight to it, so you know it's quality built into this. And you know Bose, they're known for quality. Play your favorite music services over a home Wi-Fi network like Spotify or Amazon Music at the touch of a button. 6 preset buttons for one-touch access to music. Wall-to-wall stereo from a single speaker. Play music in multiple rooms at once. With the sound stage wider than any other smart speaker, you'll be able to fill any room with astonishing stereo performance. Alexa, play Leela James.
Shuffling songs by Leela James on Amazon Music.
2 o'clock in the morning, you on the phone trying to talk to me.
Get access to weather, timers, or use the Home Speaker 500 as a smart home hub to control your existing smart devices with built-in Amazon Alexa and Google Voice Assistant. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Currently 77 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
All right, guys, there you have it, the new Bose Home Speaker 500 right here at BrandsMart USA.